Good morning students. This video is for class 3 science, and today we will start explaining one more part of plant, that is seed. Seed is that part of the plant which is enclosed, which is protected by the fruit. It remains inside the seed, inside the fruit. Now the number of seeds depends upon the type of fruit. In some fruits there is only one seed. There are some fruits inside which there are many seeds. Now let us read about them. Seeds are the small hard structure produced by plants. They are mostly enclosed, that means they are mostly inside the fruit. Some seeds come in different size, shape and color. So the size of the seed, or maybe the color of the seed, or maybe the shape, or maybe the number, it depends upon different kinds of plants. Some seeds appear very small in size like grains, while some appear very big. So there are some seeds which are very small and there are some seeds which are very big in size. They may be oval, spherical or kidney shaped. So the shape also depends upon the type of fruits and the type of trees there. They may be oval in shape, they may be spherical in shape, they may be kidney shaped. Seeds can be yellow, green, white, brown or of some other colors. So there are different seeds with different colors. Now let us read about the functions. What is the function of the seed? The main function of the seed is to give rise to a new plant. That means a new plant grow from a seed. And next we eat seeds of plants. Like there are many seeds of different plants which are eatable. That means which can be eaten by us. For example, the rice we eat, this is a seed. The wheat we eat, the pulses we eat, the grams, all these are seeds that we eat or which are eatable or which can be eaten by us. The next is the structure. That means how do the seed look like? Now the seed looks like, generally, it is generally like this. The seed is generally like this. Although seeds differ in sizes, shape and color, they have common parts. No matter if the different size, no matter if the different shape, the color, but the parts of the seeds are same. So the outer brown covering is known as the seed coat. The outer brown covering, whenever you see a seed, you will see a brown covering on top of that. That is known as the seed coat. So let us see. The seed coat is the tough and the hard outer covering of the seed. It has a tiny hole through which the seed gets water. So this seed coat, they have a tiny hole here. They have a tiny hole, and from here water enters and keeps the cotyledons inside alive, safe. It protects the embryo inside the seed. That means the embryo, the cotyledons, when you break a seed, you will find white color portion, that is the embryo. So it actually, the seed coat protects the embryo from outside. The embryo is the baby plant inside the seed. So the inside the seed, the white part is the cotyledons, and from that cotyledons, new plant grows, roots grow downward into the soil, and new plants grow. That is known as the embryo, the baby plant. As the seed matures with the help of the sunlight, air, food and water, the baby plant grows into a seedling. So as the seed starts getting sunlight, enough sunlight, water, air and all that, the seedling, the baby plant, the embryo starts growing into a seedling. That means it grows into a baby plant, and slowly by the passage of time, it grows into a new tree or plant. Next, the cotyledons or the seed leaves are a part of the embryo. They lie within the seed of a developing plant. These store food for the baby plant. So when you break this seed coat, whenever you break this seed coat, the white portion inside, that is known as the cotyledons. That means there are some plants in which there are two cotyledons, in some plants there are only one cotyledons. So these cotyledons can store food in them so that they can provide food to the new growing plants. Now these seeds can be of two types. One is the monocot seed and the other is the dicot seed. In the monocot seed, they have only one cotyledon. That means, for example, rice, then you have wheat, then you have maize. These are all monocot seeds because they have only one cotyledon. But if you find, if you break the seed of gram or peas or beans, you will see that it will break into two equal halves. That means they are the cotyledons. That means in the seed where there is two cotyledons, it is known as dicot seeds, and in the seed where there is only one cotyledon, it is known as monocot seeds. So please children, learn the example also of monocot seeds and dicot seeds. Remember, in the monocot seed there are only one cotyledons, and in the dicot seed there are there are two cotyledons. So by this we have come to the end of this. In the next class, we will start with germination. So for today up to this much. Thank you, class.